Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can automatically close your form on a specific date and time? Well, let me show you an example. So here we have the team year-end party form. We can fill up the form as an example. My name, a test email, department, let's just say support, and then of course I'll attend. There's no dietary restrictions, and I'm not bringing any guests with me. Here, I can still submit the form and you can check on the database. Just go to your form and click submissions, and you'll see that it's been submitted. So that's going to be the second submission on your form. And now let me show you another form with an example that it's already closed. So you see, we have here the Halloween party registration form. It's showing here that it's already expired by October 27. So if we go and view the form, this is how it will look like. With a message saying that this form has been closed by its owner and does not accept submissions anymore. Notion forms are great, especially in collecting responses, and it's already built in with a Notion. However, Node forms will give you full control, automation, and flexibility, such as adding deadlines to your forms, which will help you filter out responses, making it more manageable for you in terms of managing responses to your forms. And this is where Node forms really stands out. So now let me walk you through on how to enable this feature and add a deadline to your form. So first, we need to make sure we're logged into our NoteForms account. Next, we can either edit an existing form or this time we're going to create a new one. So just create a new form on the upper right. And next we have the option to use an existing Notion database or start from scratch. This time we'll start from scratch. And next, we have the option to utilize the AI form builder. And also, if you don't want to use the AI form builder, you can skip this step. But for convenience, we will use it. And we already have a prompt created. And let's click generate form. It's a team year-end party. And then what we would like to happen is the form has a deadline of December 15, 2025. So a few fields here: name, email, department, select input fields, and if they're going to add additional guests. So 25 seconds now, it's analyzing requirements, less or more than half a minute, generating the form, fine-tuning validation. About 40 seconds, we already have our form created. So next step here, since we already have the fields created and the heading that this will end by December 15th, here, all we need to do is go to settings, and then under settings, just go to security and access. And under security and access, you'll see here closing date. And since we're ending it at December 15, at 11:59 p.m., we can just choose December 16. And then next, you can personalize the closing message saying that the form is no longer accepting submission. You can do it based on your preference. And last thing that we need to do is just click publish form and then select the Notion page where the database will be created. So here, I'll just use my own Notion page and then click save form. And as easy as that, you already have your form created with a deadline enabled. So hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie, and thanks so much for supporting NoteForms.